Hello everyone, Bob here from Silver Fox Fitness, and welcome to leg strengthening exercises for beginners and seniors. I'm going to do this workout in my bare feet, and I'm going to have something close by that I might want to hold on to for extra balance. I call the first exercise Stand Strong. I have a little bench close by and a bed just in case I need to hold on to something. Standing as vertical as possible, lining up all my bones and muscles so I don't fall over as I stand still. I want to keep my ears above my shoulders and my shoulders above my hips and my hips above my knees and my knees above my ankles. Now to do the ears above the shoulders, sometimes I have to push my chin back into my neck a little bit to correct my posture. My shoulders are down a little bit and back a little bit and relaxed. My torso here, my core, belly button, lower ab area is very firm and strong. Sometimes I suck my belly button in a little bit, but just keep it firm and strong. My hips are not forward or back, they're right in the middle. My bum is not squeezed real tight, but there's a little bit of tension there to keep myself stronger and firmer as I stand tall. My knees are not locked. They're relaxed a little bit, but my legs are pretty much straight and vertical. My feet are shoulder width apart. Maybe I'll correct that a little bit, a little wider. And my toes are pointing straight ahead. Yes, my heels are down. The balls of my feet are down, my toes are down and spread the best I can, and most of my weight is on the outside edges of my feet. That keeps my knees in the proper position. I don't want them in, and I don't want them out, but I gotta concentrate on where my weight is. Am I breathing normally and comfortably? Yes. In through the nose maybe, and out through the mouth, but at least I'm using my nose and my mouth for inhaling and exhaling in a comfortable way. And I'm just standing here and seeing if I'm strong. Now I think I'll make a little bit of a challenge for myself by shifting my weight to one side and holding it there, but be strong, tall, and firm. How does that feel? Slowly shift it to the other side, past neutral. Still feels okay, but I have to think constantly about all the things I mentioned to be standing strong and tall. Okay, back to neutral. Let's just lean back a little bit. Be careful. The weight's now on my heels and the outsides of my feet, but my toes and the balls of my feet and the front part of my foot are still touching. Okay, back to neutral. Let's go forward a little bit. Still vertical, right? Still standing, hopefully, and still strong. That's not bad. Feel okay. I'm in neutral. I'm just going to go around in a circle. I can go from the side to the back, to the other side, to the front, or from the front to the other side, to the back, to the side, to the front. I can stop and go reverse. But remember, stand strong. Think about everything I mentioned. Good. Let's just take it up a little notch. Okay, we're going to bend our legs at the knees by lowering our hips just a little bit. Right. Now shift the weight to the side. Hold it there. Good, to neutral and then to the other side. Legs are bent, lower, our hips are down a little bit. Neutral to the back. And to the front. Good work. So you can practice standing strong and tall with the best posture with your legs bent, or you can straighten them out but keep them soft at the knee. Because a lot of times during the day, I just have to stand and let the day go by. Maybe I'm waiting for someone, or I'm having a conversation and I'm just standing here. Sometimes I get a little fidgety and I move my feet around. You can do that too. As soon as you lift a foot off the ground to take a step, even if it's a little step like this, you're making it more difficult or maybe more easy in your particular frame of mind. Maybe that's moving like this as you stand strong is easier than standing still. Either way, the positions I took you through and the things that I mentioned are really important. Practice daily. Exercise number 2 is called the 1 foot pretzel. So thinking about what we just learned about standing strong, and there's my support just in case I need it. In that posture that we talked about, with the feet shoulder width apart and everything lined up, I'm going to shift my weight to one of the feet, maybe this one over here on this side, and I'm going to lift the other foot off the ground slowly by lifting up my heel, balancing on my toe. I feel okay there. Now I'm going to take my foot off the ground altogether. And if I'm shaky or wobbly and I need a support, maybe I'll move a little closer to the bench so I can hold on without too much reaching. So I'm standing strong, shifting my weight over here, lifting this toe up, balancing on it, and my heel's off the ground, and now I lift my foot. Okay. So I'm ready to go. I'm going to straighten my foot out and my leg. Then I'm going to bend it and put it behind the other one over here so I can see it. And then the supporting leg, as you can see, has already started to bend. I'm going to lower myself down. So I'm a bit of a pretzel. And hold it maybe for 3 seconds. And slowly straighten the leg back up and bring this leg over to the side and then back in and down. I'll try it on this side. So, with my feet shoulder width apart, holding on if you need to. Okay, lift this heel up, balance on your tippy toe. Weight is on this side. I feel okay there, so I lift the foot off the ground. A little bit shaky. Maybe I need to hold on, straighten the leg and take it out to the side. Keep it really straight. This one's got all the weight. I can feel this in my hip, in my glute, my bum, in my back. But I'm ready to bend it and take it around as I bend the supporting leg a little bit so I can see my foot over there. There's my pretzel, still standing up strong and tall. When I'm ready after 3 seconds or 5 or whatever it is for you, bring the leg back around, straighten it out to the side, and bring it into the body and down. I'm going to do it one more time just so you know how to do it. I'm going to try to do it without touching anything because that's my goal. Okay, here I go. So I'll shift my weight over this way. Take this foot and lift it off the ground, maybe from the toe with the heel up. Oh, there I am. Bend the leg, take it behind, stand tall till I can see the foot. Do whatever you want to do with your arms. Whoop, I needed help there. And when you're ready, after 3 to 5 seconds, straighten it out and bring it in and down. Not bad, not bad. So remember, stand strong posture. Everything that you learned in exercise number 1. All right, here we go. Shift the weight. That's on this side. Lift the heel up, balance on the toe. There, I think I can handle this now. I'm not shaking as much. Good, bend the foot and the leg. Bring it behind. Where is my foot? There it is. Notice this leg bends and I'm going down a little bit. Lots of pressure on that supporting leg, foot. All the weight is on the outside. After 3 to 5 seconds, straighten the leg up, bring this one around to its toe to the side, and in, toe down, heel down, done. You want to see that one more time? Okay, I'll turn this way. So I'm going to lean over this way. Got the weight on that foot, on the outside of that foot, still standing strong and tall. Okay, this heel comes up, the toe comes up with the foot, the leg bends, take it around behind, bend the supporting leg, go straight down, don't touch if you can help it. If you need to, touch. After you waited 3 to 5 seconds, bring the leg around, straighten it out, hold it there briefly, bring it in, toe down, heel down, done. How many reps of that should I do? As many as you have time for. But don't hurry them. Take your time. Think about each position and have fun with the pretzel. Exercise number 3 is the step lunge. So I'm standing in my strong, tall posture. When I'm ready, I'm going to take this foot here. It doesn't matter which foot it is, but I'm choosing this foot here and I'm going to step forward. My legs are shoulder width apart. I've checked my posture. I just take a step forward and put the foot down. When I get there, both feet flat, I lift the back heel up. Good, so that leg's a little bit bent and so is this one. Otherwise, I'm vertical. And then I'm just going to lower my body straight down until I can't go any further with that back heel up. Right there. 3, 2, 1. Slowly push back up. Take that back leg forward, but instead of putting it flat, just put the heel down. Good. With the toe up, heel down, and lower my body down. When I get as low as I can go, just lowering my body. I'm not leaning forward. After 3 to 5 seconds, slowly come back up and push back and relax. I'll do it on this side. So I step forward, lift the back heel, leg bent, down I go as an elevator. 3, 2, 1, come back up. This leg at the back comes forward, but just the heel. Foot up, right? And this is tricky. Lower yourself down, sit in the chair behind you. Keep your head up. After 3, 2, 1, push and relax the foot. There you go, step lunge. Good luck with those 3 exercises. They can be a little bit complicated. Pay attention to exactly the details that I presented to you, and you'll do wonders for your lower body. Your bum will be stronger, your hamstrings and your quads will be stronger in your upper leg, your calf muscle in your lower leg, and the soleus and anterior tibialis muscle below the knee will be stronger. Your ankles will be stronger. Your low back will feel better. I would do them maybe 2-3 times a week or every day for that matter. So good luck.